Your best nurses and doctors shouldn't be stuck doing scheduling and insurance verification. But without the right hire, that's exactly what happens. Today, I'm showing you how to write a job description that actually attracts top talent. The kind of person who makes your life easier, not harder. Let's get into it. Let's dive into how to write a job description that attracts the perfect patient care coordinator. You know it's a common problem. Your skilled clinical staff are getting swamped with admin work. And what happens? Delays, burnout, unhappy patients. It pulls your best people away from actual care. But what if one single hire could fix all of this? Let me introduce you to the hero. That's the patient care coordinator. They're the command center for your entire patient experience. Right. So how do you find one of these superstars? It all starts with a crystal clear job description. First up, you want to be clear. A patient care coordinator is in charge of scheduling and managing calendars. It's all about workflow. Other than that, they're the patient's advocate, answering questions, explaining things, and building real trust. And check this out. The proof is right here. No show rates. They absolutely plummet. Next, they've got to be on top of records. We're talking notes, results, treatment plans, everything. And of course, insurance. They're the ones verifying coverage and helping patients navigate billing. Now, beyond the duties, what kind of skills are we looking for in a top-tier patient care coordinator candidate? First and foremost, communication. They have to be amazing at bridging that patient-staff gap. They're also going to be juggling a million things at once. So yeah, organization is totally non-negotiable. You also need a problem solver, someone who can think on their feet and handle issues with total calm. And listen, attention to detail is a big one. One tiny mistake in data can be a huge headache. So my pro tip, actually test for these skills. Use simple assessments during the hiring process for your patient care coordinator. Moving on, let's talk qualifications for a patient care coordinator. What should you be looking for on their resume? A high school diploma is the minimum for sure, but get this, 40% actually have a bachelor's. You also want to keep an eye out for these certifications. They're a great sign they're serious about the field. Experience-wise, 2 to 3 years in a healthcare setting is really the sweet spot you're looking for too. So, why go through all this trouble? Because the right patient care coordinator will completely transform your clinic. I mean, look at this. Your clinical team gets freed up, everything runs smoother, and patients are happier. So it's not just another admin role. It's a strategic hire that elevates your whole practice. So the only question left is, who are you going to hire to transform your patient experience? If you're ready to make this hire and stop watching your clinical team drown in admin work, head over to pearltalent.com. You can browse patient care coordinator profiles, explore resources, or book a free call with our team. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.